guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm going to talk about my top 4 most affordable makeup setting spray that I have been using past 3 to 4 years, and I'm really happy with the result and with the outcome of all the 4 makeup setting spray that really locks down my makeup for a prolonged period of time. And I am super duper excited to share this video with you guys. So I know all the makeup junkies and all the beauty junkies really have a magic weapon in their vanity bag, and what is that? That is a good makeup setting spray or makeup fixing spray. Those of you are new to this makeup world, you must be thinking that this girl has just gone crazy because one bottle which just contains water-like substance, it will work wonder to our makeup. Yes, you are right. You know, they will just work wonder to your makeup. They'll keep your makeup lock and they'll make your makeup long lasting up to 7 to 8 hours or up to 12 hours, so you will be a happy girl. So yes, let's talk about my top 4 most affordable makeup setting spray. First, let me tell you guys what is actually a makeup setting spray. Well, I'm just going to put everything in the most simplest way, and that is a makeup setting spray is basically a bottle of magic or a bottle of water-like substance which you are going to spritz it just before your makeup or after your makeup or in between your makeup. It's just going to lock your makeup and will make your makeup long lasting up to 7 to 8 hours or up to 12 hours intact on your face. So this is what the makeup fixing spray or the makeup setting spray actually works for your makeup. Depending on your preferences, there are a few variety of makeup fixing spray in the Indian market, from mattifying to oil fixing and dewy, illuminating and hydrating, refreshing. There are so different kinds of makeup fixing spray present in the Indian market, so you can just choose anything for your makeup, but definitely choose a good and the best makeup fixing spray for your makeup. So let's start with my first most affordable and really rich and really good makeup setting spray which I have currently and which I am currently using it a lot, and that is the Maybelline New York Lasting Fix makeup setting spray. Those of you really love their makeup to be mattifying and you know it will give you that matte look, then please go for this, guys. Give it a shot, guys. First time I started using this, I just fell in love with this because I always want my makeup to be very matte finish, and the weather of Kolkata 360 days, it is hot in summer and I really hate that sweat and that melting down of my makeup. So I really want my makeup to be very mattifying and very matte finish. This comes in a cute and bold pink color plastic bottle packaging with a very translucent black plastic cap, and this is a not very fascinating thing. This is the usual packaging. The bottle is really not hardy and sturdy. It is a very very thin one. The quality is a very thin one, but it's okay. But let me tell you guys, with the nozzle, it's a spray nozzle like this, but when you start using this, just shake it very well, guys. If you don't shake it and start using it on your makeup, you know, it's just going to give that fine white dots on your whole makeup, and trust me guys, you will never ever love that. It lasted my makeup up till 9 hours and I pretty loved it. I pretty loved the quality of this makeup fixing spray. This is a 60 ml of product and this is priced at rupees 599 rupees. It's available in Amazon. It's also available in purple.com, Nykaa, so you can just give it a shot. The product is claiming that you can use this makeup setting spray only after your makeups, that means post makeup. Use after makeup application. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from face and close eyes. Spray in a clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. Avoid spraying directly into eyes and lips, so do not spritz it directly onto your eyes or lips. This makeup fixing spray, they have denatured alcohol in it, which is absolutely polished alcohol. I really did not like the alcoholic smell of this particular makeup fixing fixing spray. Apart from the smell and apart from the nozzle, I really liked the product quality because it worked great on my makeup. Apart from these two cones, everything is okay with this product. So yeah, so the next makeup fixing spray that I'm going to talk about is this one. This is the Makeup Revolution London Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. This bottle contains 100 ml of product and it is priced at rupees 1050. I think this is also very cheap and affordable in your pocket. Quality of the makeup setting spray is just wow, because those of you really loves your makeup to be very illuminating and very glowing, you can definitely give it a shot because it works wonder on your makeup. Even though I am a little bit in the mattifying section, but still I love this makeup fixing spray because you know, at times I just need my makeup to be very glowing and popping and highlighted. I'm definitely going to use this at that point of time when I really want my makeup to be glowing and highlighted and popping. This makeup fixing spray comes in a plastic bottle packaging and this comes in a black bottle like this, and they have a tiny white plastic translucent plastic cap just over the nozzle. The nozzle is really pretty cool because you know, they have a ball bearing inside. When you just shake it, they have enough space inside the bottle, and the nozzle is really good, guys. When I just spritz it over my makeup, I get to know that it's just dispersing all over my makeup equally, and I really like that. That is a yay point from my side. And they have a ball bearing inside the spray mechanism, which is pretty good because it helps to spritz your makeup fixing spray quite equally on your makeup, which is a great thing. You can just check it out, guys. The spray is just so super fine and will just make your makeup give you that glow that you want, that inner glow and not that artificial glow. So yes, I pretty love this kind of makeup setting spray, which will just give me that natural glow and natural popping and highlighting instead of giving me that artificial glow. And the smell of this makeup setting spray really didn't attracted me that much because this makeup setting spray and this one almost have the same kind of smell, but they have too much of alcohol in it that I really don't like. Well, this makeup setting spray, they have the alcohol in it obviously, but the percentage is on a lesser side. That is a good thing. They have claimed a few things at the back side of the bottle. Let me just read it out, guys. Close eyes, hold 20 to 23 centimeter from face and spray. Warning, just keep it in mind. Warning, keep out of eyes. Close eyes before misting. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. Please guys, I have already said you several times, before applying any new product, any new thing on your face or on your makeup, just do a small patch test before using it or before applying it on your skin, because it might not harm my skin, but if you have an allergic skin, it may not suit your skin. So please do a small patch test before you applying it. So please do a patch test before applying this makeup fixing spray. So if it irritates you, please discontinue the process, guys. After applying this makeup fixing spray, my makeup lasted up till 10 to 11 hours, which was a great timing for a makeup to stay on your face in this heat and in this summer. But apart from the smell, everything is okay and good with this makeup fixing spray. I'm happy to use this. If you guys really want your makeup to be very glowing and very highlighted, then you can definitely give it a shot, guys. It's absolutely perfect. My third number makeup setting spray that I'm going to share with you guys is this one, and who haven't yet used this, L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. Particular makeup setting spray is really a makeup extender, and after applying this on my makeup, guys, my makeup just stayed up to 12 hours. Can you imagine? It is a real makeup extender, guys. If you want a very good makeup fixing spray with an affordable range, you just need this in your vanity bag. This also comes in a black plastic bottle with a black translucent plastic cap. This also comes in a spray nozzle like this. I have a small ball bearing just inside the spray mechanism so that all the makeup fixing spray just disperses on my makeup properly and equally, which is a great thing. And the spray is super fine, guys. It is very thin and super fine. as well as I don't mind the smell that much. This too really, the smell was not up to the mark. I did not like it. They have given a lot of notice at the back side of the bottle. I'm going to quickly share with you guys. They have 3 sections: texture, action and usage. They are microfine texture. Action is, sets fix, and use or usage, it is after post makeup. So you can use this makeup fixing spray post makeup, as this makeup fixing spray is a mattifying makeup fixing spray. So please do use it just after your makeup, after finishing your makeup. You can use makeup fixing spray before your makeup or in between your makeup or after your makeup, but obviously keep in your mind that if the makeup fixing spray is really mattifying on your makeup, then please do use it just completing your makeup, so post makeup. So this particular makeup fixing spray, I really love it because the texture is really microfine and they have a really micro finish kind of texture, which is really good on my makeup and keeps my makeup mattifying up to 12 hours, 11 to 12 hours, which is great. The timing is really great, even though the smell really didn't attracted me that much, but it's okay because it does the perfect job for setting up my makeup. That is really good. And this is 100 ml of product. It is priced at rupees 800 and it is affordable in your pocket, plus it locks your makeup up to 12 prolonged hours. So that is pretty good from my side. So the fourth and the last makeup fixing spray that I'm going to share with you guys, the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer Professional Artist Cosmetics, and this is 120 ml of product and this is priced at rupees 925. It is written that it is a PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer and they are so much true to their words. Yes, they are absolute micro finish makeup fixer. This is with absolute herbal and floral extracts, plus they have a very floral and refreshing smell. And set and unlock your makeup with PAC makeup fixer. No need to worry for blotchy watermarks. The micro spray uses an aerospray technology which helps evenly disperse micro droplets and maintain an airbrush finish for flawless complexion and no mess up. The innovative formulation creates a barrier for your skin to protect and keep your makeup from moving. A blend of floral water infused with herbal extracts contains beneficial vitamins. This part is absolutely correct. After using this product, you'll just get to know how much enriched this product is. This product is a blend of all the herbal and all the vitamins and all the floral extracts, which is a great thing as a makeup fixer, because all this kind of combination will work great to fix your makeup first of all. Second thing is that it's not going to irritate your nose. The smell is really very floral and refreshing. You are just going to, after spritzing it, you are just going to love the smell. Plus they are very long lasting. They are going to last around 10 to 12 hours, just like the L'Oreal Infallible. So yes, I really love this kind of makeup fixer. They are not absolutely mattifying on your makeup, but they'll just give you that dewy kind of look. They comes in a white metal packaging. This is a metal, not a plastic. Plus they have a translucent white plastic cap. Here we can see the spray nozzle here, and they have the latest aerospray mechanism inside the nozzle, which is a great thing. And this technology helps to disperse the micro droplets onto your skin, which is a perfect thing for your makeup fixer. I think this is the best makeup fixing spray that I have ever used in my life. And what I have found, guys, the MAC fixer and the PAC fixer, they are just going hand in hand, because all the MAC products and the PAC products, they are almost similar products. Think the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer is the perfect dupe or the very good alternative from a MAC fixer. And just give it a try, guys, because it's just going to make your makeup look so much flawless and give you that dewy finish. Plus it's just going to lock your makeup, set your makeup. So I hope you really enjoyed this long session of my top 4 most affordable makeup setting spray. So yes, this was the story of my top 4 most affordable makeup setting spray, and I hope you really loved all the important informations about the makeup fixing spray, affordable makeup fixing spray that I've already shared with you guys. And I'm pretty sure that my informations will really help you out to choose the best makeup setting spray for yourself. If you really enjoy watching me and my videos, then please go and hit that subscribe button because it means a lot to me, and give me some love, show my channel some love, like, share and comment my videos. Plus do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun and stay tuned with my next videos. Bye.